Hunger, a natural necessity, calls for food. When hunger strikes, one might feel tired, weak, or irritable, accompanied often by a growling stomach. Hunger differs from cravings. Hunger lacks specificity, almost any food suffices. Cravings, however, are intense desires for particular foods, rooted in psychology, and may persist even after eating. The genesis of hunger involves two key hormones, ghrelin and leptin. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, emanates from the stomach, particularly when it contracts from emptiness or when blood glucose is low. Leptin, the satiety hormone, is secreted by fat tissue, signaling ample food reserves and promoting fullness. Nutritional deficiencies can also provoke hunger or craving-like states. For instance, iron deficiency might incite a craving for red meat, a phenomenon known as selective hunger. Similarly, a lack of calcium can lead to a yearning for dairy products, while a magnesium deficiency might manifest as a craving for chocolate and nuts. Emotions, stress, and boredom can also trigger hunger, a process termed emotional eating. Stress induces the release of cortisol, a hormone that stimulates hunger, particularly for high-fat, high-sugar comfort foods. These foods temporarily activate the brain's reward center, providing pleasure through dopamine release. Thus, eating becomes a short-term stress coping mechanism. Habitual reliance on this method can lead to emotional eating and subsequent weight gain. Additionally, individuals learn to eat in response to emotional triggers, encompassing both positive and negative emotions. This is notably true in cases of depression. During depression, an increase in stress hormones can stimulate hunger. Moreover, depression often involves a deficiency in serotonin, a neurotransmitter that ordinarily suppresses appetite. Hence, its scarcity during depression can further heighten hunger. The hunger center is located in the hypothalamus of the brain. External stimuli, such as the sight, smell, or even thoughts of food, can also trigger hunger. Sensory receptors, upon encountering food stimuli, signal the brain, specifically activating the limbic system. This system governs emotions and memory, enabling food to evoke associated memories and feelings like pleasure and satisfaction. This activation of the reward system releases dopamine, compelling the pursuit of food for gratification. Such mechanisms contribute to the formation of eating habits. For instance, if one habitually snacks while watching TV, the brain learns to associate eating with TV viewing, prompting hunger irrespective of actual need. It's also pertinent to address the increased appetite observed after quitting smoking. Smoking exerts an appetite-suppressing effect and elevates metabolism. Additionally, the habitual hand-to-mouth action associated with smoking often prompts individuals to seek a substitute, commonly food. Post-cessation, the nicotine-induced increase in appetite becomes more pronounced initially but tends to diminish over the ensuing weeks.